In this video, we listed the 5 best drawing tablet on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. SPASEEBA T605 Graphics Tablet. The SPASEEBA T605 Graphics Tablet is a 5-foot graphic tablet with 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and a resolution ratio of 50/80 LPI. It features a compact and lightweight design, making it easy to carry for travel and business trips. The tablet is compatible with Windows, Mac, and Android devices, and it comes with a battery-free stylus for uninterrupted drawing and playing. With 6 programmable express keys and compatibility with various drawing software, this tablet offers precise control and enhanced creative performance. It is suitable for various applications such as drawing, painting, gaming, and digital business signatures. Number 2. GAOMON S620 Tablet. The GAOMON S620 is a high-performance graphics drawing tablet designed for professional and casual use. It features a 4-inch screen with a resolution of 3840 by 2160 pixels and supports 8,192 levels of pen pressure sensitivity, enhancing precision and natural drawing experience. The tablet includes 4 customizable express keys for efficient workflow, compatible with various operating systems including Android, Windows, and Mac OS. It supports popular software like Adobe Photoshop and Clip Studio, making it versatile for digital painting, design, and annotation tasks. The battery-free stylus ensures uninterrupted operation, complemented by a compact, portable design suitable for travel and everyday use. Number 3. VEIKK A15 Pro Tablet. The VEIKK A15 Pro is a graphic tablet designed to enhance productivity and creativity for digital artists of all levels. It features a 10.1-inch screen with a resolution of 1920 by 1080, supporting 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and a 50/80 LPI resolution ratio. The tablet includes a P02 battery-free pen with 290 pps reporting rate and plus or minus 60 degrees tilt function, offering a natural drawing experience across its 10 by 6-inch workspace. It boasts a slim, portable design with a USB-C port for stable connectivity and is compatible with Mac, Windows, Linux, and Android systems, supporting major design software. The package includes various accessories like replacement nibs, a pen stand, and a protective case, making it suitable for drawing, animation, photo editing, and design work. VEIKK offers global shipping from multiple warehouses and provides a 12-month warranty, emphasizing customer satisfaction and support through their official channels. Number 4. Parblo Intangbo X7 Tablet. The Parblo X7 is a digital graphic tablet originating from mainland China, featuring 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity for precise input. Made from plastic and ABS materials, it connects via USB interface. This tablet measures 271 mm in length and 166 mm in width, ensuring a compact yet functional design suitable for digital artists. Certified by CE, FCC, RoHS, and KC, the Parblo X7 comes packaged with essential accessories, making it a versatile choice for creative professionals seeking reliable and responsive digital input devices. Number 5. XPPen Deco 640. The XPPen Deco 640 is a graphic tablet with 16K pressure levels, a resolution ratio of 50/80 LPI, and a report rate of 220 RPS. It has a compact and lightweight design, making it suitable for various applications such as illustration, video editing, photo retouching, remote education, presentation, document signing, and anatomical drawing. The tablet is compatible with Windows, Mac OS, Android, Chrome OS, and Linux, and it also offers an immersive gaming experience for OSU. With its instant response and efficient drawing capabilities, the Deco 640 is designed to provide a natural and comfortable drawing experience for both beginners and experienced users.